PG&E is criminally convicted, then PG&E shareholders will pay for their negligence. If PG&E is not criminally convicted, customers will pay.
That is just part of an interview you'll see only on ABC 10 tonight with a former PG&E regulator. She wants the prosecution to stand strong. Good evening. I'm Chris Thomas.
I'm Laura Painter. Thank you for joining us. The judge in the case plans to toss out manslaughter charges against the company in the Zogg Fire. ABC 10's Brandon Ritteman has been investigating PG&E for the past 5 years and covering the Zogg Fire since 2020 when it burned. He has the latest now.
The felony counts against PG&E for reckless arson and manslaughter are poised to be dismissed on Wednesday. Even so, the monopoly's former regulator is urging prosecutors to fight. She says it's critical to millions of Californians' power bills, but also their safety. Earlier this year, after weeks of testimony from arson investigators and PG&E employees, a judge in Shasta County decided that PG&E would have to face a criminal trial for manslaughter. PG&E's power lines started the Zogg Fire, which killed 4 people. A badly damaged tree, never removed by PG&E contractors, fell on the line in a windstorm. PG&E admits that, but denies wrongdoing. The monopoly's defense lawyers called it a mistake.
PG&E knew that there was a problematic tree, marked it for removal, and then just never removed it.
Loretta Lynch used to regulate PG&E as president of the California Public Utilities Commission.
How is that not negligence, and should that not result in criminal liability?
She's appalled that a second Shasta County judge who set the trial date for June 6th now plans to call it off. Judge Daniel Flynn changed his mind last month, announcing plans to toss the case out.
The Shasta County District Attorney should fight, because if the judge rules in favor of PG&E and short circuits the ability to even go to trial and prove your evidence, then that wrong decision should be appealed by the Shasta County District Attorney. We have to fight for justice, because only justice and accountability will bring the change we need in this rogue corporation.
District Attorney Stephanie Bridget can appeal if the charges are tossed out, or she can refile them. But last month, her office restarted settlement talks with PG&E. Bridget declined to comment, citing the unresolved status of the case. Last year, she refused to settle the Zogg Fire without a guilty plea from PG&E. It's a position Lynch calls on her to stick to.
This is the last bastion of accountability that exists out there in the court system. And if PG&E is not convicted of crimes, then the ratepayers, our PG&E's customers, will pay for all of PG&E's negligence. But most importantly, it will send a signal to PG&E that they can always get away with it. So how will anything ever change?
The DA declined to comment for this story. PG&E didn't respond when we asked them for a comment. The company already has a criminal rap sheet with 91 felony convictions, including 84 counts of manslaughter in the 2018 Camp Fire. PG&E pleaded guilty to those charges just 3 months before its power lines started the Zogg Fire. Brandon Ritteman, ABC 10 News.
As we told you, Brandon's been breaking news on this crisis for the past 5 years. Get your phone out right now and type firepowermoney.com to see what else we've uncovered.